shelter at 8 a.m. Earliest start yet. Woo! We're very proud of that. And we've been hiking over 3 miles. And the mud is unreal. After the snow melt and the torrential rains we got, we are just slogging through mud, and it's pretty hard. I slip a lot, and I'm really afraid that A, I'm gonna fall, and B, I'm gonna like wrench my knee or ankle or hip or who knows what. But mud's really tough. The Smokies on excellent conditions would be awesome because the trails are pretty cool. The shelters are nice. But the mud, I'm going to show you the mud that we're walking in right now. Okay? It's so bad. So I use my trekking poles. I try to walk on the side. If I fall while I'm taking this video, guys, we'll just get a good video. So we plan on making it to Clingmans Dome. And if you don't know what Clingmans Dome is, it's a big deal because A, it's the highest point on the entire Appalachian Trail, highest elevation, over 6,000 feet. And B, it's the 200-mile mark. Woo! So we hope to get a shuttle into Gatlinburg and get a hotel, clean up, resupply. We're like out of food pretty much, and get back on the trail the next day, take a zero in Gatlinburg. But right now we are climbing because we're trying to get to Clingmans Dome. All right, see you in a little while. We stopped at a shelter for lunch and we're back on the trail 6 miles before noon. It is windy, cold, damp, but we are doing great because we only have about 4 miles to go to get to Clingmans Dome. And we are looking forward to that. Right, Adam?
What?
Looking forward to Clingmans? Oh, yeah. So, yes, we have just a few more miles to go. And the trail is like in this mossy, spooky forest. I really like it. What's the sign over there? I didn't see the sign. But it's 200, and we're gonna go to the top and then come back. There's Adam. Thrilled to be at Clingmans Dome. 200 miles. And there we are, highest spot east of the Mississippi. Over 6,000 feet. And we did it. Oh yeah. What an accomplishment. This obviously is a big tourist destination of where we are and where we've been. It's amazing. This is beautiful. And that right there was the easiest part of the trail today. We can't stay long because we have hitched a ride with a nice family. So, all right, woo, 200 miles, so proud. We just checked in to the Fairfield Inn by Marriott. Adam's drinking bug juice, and it is lovely, beautiful hotel. I tell you, you get what you pay for. This ain't no Econo Lodge in Helen, for sure. We're thrilled to be here. So we were hiking toward Clingmans Dome, and we saw this lovely family hiking as well. And I stopped and I said, oh, you know, we just got to talking. And I said, we're desperate for a ride into Gatlinburg. Are you going to Gatlinburg? And they said, yes. I said, any chance you can give us a ride? All of the people who we called for shuttles were unavailable. So they were like, you know, we've got a third row, sure, because they had 2 little kids, 5-year-old twins, fraternal twins. So they said, we'll meet you at the parking lot. So we went to Clingmans Dome. They did their little hike. Lovely family. So Amber and David and your beautiful children, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. You are trail angels for sure. And it was great to get to know you and your family. So I can't tell you how much I appreciate the ride right to our hotel. And they were like late for dinner with their family. I felt bad, but here we are and it's lovely. Obviously I need a shower and we're going to go out and get some food. I need a burger. And they have laundry. I don't know why they put us on the 3rd floor, but laundry's on the 3rd floor. Could it be the way we look and smell? But anyway, we're looking for a relaxing night. Tomorrow it's going to rain, so we're taking a 0 because I'm still having trauma from the rain and the hypothermia. So we're going to take a 0 and explore Gatlinburg a little bit, and also, of course, do laundry and resupply and all of that. But I'm so happy to be here. There's a shower just waiting for me. And look at those lovely beds. Oh, I can't wait. But we had a great day today. 200. Thanks for following. Bye. Here we are in Gatlinburg. Adam wants to go to the Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum. I don't know if we'll make it, but we will go to the aquarium. It's going to be a rainy day tomorrow, so we'll figure it out. We just had the best dinner.